Okay, it's time for the Motoscan checkup of the bike after all these long trips on the summer. Alright, I know I have done this video before, but you know, every time it's a little bit different. Alright? So, this year we have a little problem with the shock absorber. It needs to be serviced, the rear, and you know, if you don't remember, if you haven't seen my videos, you just match the two arrows. Otherwise, you're going to be looking forever how to put this. There's one here, okay, and turning this left, it's one here. You see that? Much easier. Alright, as you can see, it's picking up already, even if this, the ignition is off. It's picking up already. Alright. Okay. Motoscan is on. I have the ultimate. Let me see if it's connecting right now, because you know, haven't used it for a long time. Let me turn on. Ignition is connected. See the green here? Alright, I'm gonna put ignition on, and let's start from the beginning. Okay, we'll go R series K25. That's for my bike. It's a 2009 GS 1200. Alright, and we start with control units, anti-lock brakes. Okay, read trouble codes, and we have one under voltage. It's always something like that. It's happening with the ABS. Test conditions met, error no longer present. You see that? Very important. Error no longer present. That means the battery went low sometime, I don't even know when, and you know, after the bike worked for a little bit, probably on the road or something, or I charged it, the trouble code is gone. So that means you don't have to deal with that. What you do, moments, it's clear trouble codes, okay? Clear trouble codes. Clear, okay. Alright, and read trouble code, and we don't have any. We're good. Okay, so let's go back to functions. Let's go back to ABS one more time, just to make sure, because a lot of things collecting here, a lot of information. Okay, we're good. Alright, so let's go to audio radio. There is nothing there. I just want to go out so you can see it. 5 anti-theft alarm system. Alright, we're gonna go to that. Read trouble codes. No, very good. Alright. We go to instrument clutcher, Kobe, always something in there. Alright, read trouble codes. Nothing. Very good. Very good. Let's go to engine electronics, MOT. Read trouble codes. Oil level switch. Oil level switch. 27. Engine temperature 120. Intake air temperature. Let me take a screenshot. relevant signal, test conditions met, error present, and error present. Fault will not cause a warning light. Okay, error present and already stored. Alright, so engine temperature, intake air temperature, engine speed, relative air, oil level switch, no can message. Let's look this too. Error no longer present, but I'm gonna take that. Okay, so we have to go online now to find out what the 2740 is, because that error is present. This bike has fresh oils and everything. If you look at my previous video, it went through basic everything on 100,000 kilometer service. Alright, so let me take a scan on that. And alright, so I'm gonna go online on that, but let me finish with we're not gonna clear trouble cause when you have an error present right now, okay? MOT, so there's no radio operating unit. Let's go with that so you can see it. Alright, nothing like that. Let's go back to K25 and we'll go to central chassis electronics. Sometimes there is something there. Okay, read trouble codes. Heated handlebar grips. Okay, I know the right one, it comes on and on. I have to take it off and fix it again. If you want to know how to fix it, just go back on my videos. You're going to see how to repair the handle grips. Okay, error present, already stored. So that means the right one is not working. I got to take it off. I have done this before. It's not really big deal. It just takes like an hour. Alright, an hour and you save $300 because they're about 120, 140 each one of them, plus installation. Alright, so we'll go back and we're gonna investigate now. What was it on the MOT? Alright, we're gonna investigate that. The 2740 oil level switch. It's Harley on my chair, so we'll have to share the chair. Alright, so okay, as you can see here, we are in BMW fault dot codes. If you want to check it out, make a note, make a bookmark of that because you might need it. And I can't really find out what's going on. Okay, oil level switch. I don't think I have an oil level switch. Okay, but it gives me a higher temperature. Maybe the engine got warm during the summer. You know, I probably believe yes it did. But you know what? I start the bike and I clear the code. You know, if you want to see how to clear the codes, it's very easy. Just go back on my videos a little bit. And let's see what's going on now. I ran the bike a little bit, so let's see if the code is going to come back. Okay, so I have run the bike, put some gear, changed a little bit for like, 5 minutes something. And just curious if that code is going to come back. Okay, we're good here. I can't find out really what's going on with that bit, right? Okay, going to finish up, we change the battery. We'll look what's going on here. October in Greece. Let's check it out. Yes, it's like summertime, almost. And we have a pine tree almost fall down this year. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Alright, so okay, let's see if the thing is connected. MOT. Sometimes if it doesn't connect, just quit completely the app. You see, like this now, I have to quit completely the app. Completely from the memory. Okay, and wait a couple of seconds, reopen the app. Hopefully it's gonna work. Yeah, green light. Alright, so let's go to MOT. When we have the trouble code before, no connection to control unit, of course. Ignition is off. Give it a couple of seconds. Alright, let's try again. Alright, read trouble codes. Not trouble codes, okay, but it told me before that that trouble code was present. So I have no idea. I have to, probably, keep researching for that, or call my mechanic to find out. But that trouble code, it's gone. The reason I'm paying attention on what I'm telling you right now is because he was keep telling me that that trouble code is present, okay? If the trouble code is present, that means you still have the problem. Let's look the screenshot. Alright, you see that? Okay, we have that. Always take screenshots, okay, for that thing. You see that? Okay, error present and already stored. It's present. That means the problem, it might still exist. Well, I'm low on fuel, but everything. But the other thing is, sometimes it might just clear up by itself. All right, so let's open Motoscan. Let's do one more test. Read trouble codes. Nothing. Let's go the other ones. Okay, functions. Let's go to ABS again. We're gonna go over all of it. Yes. Read trouble codes. Nada. Alright, we go to Audi already. There's nothing there. It's just gonna, nothing there. It doesn't have it. Alright. What is that? An unexpected error occurred. Sorry for the inconvenience. Restart the app. Never happened this before. Alright. Anti-theft alarm is always something in there. Okay, it's connected again. Anti-theft alarm. Give a little bit time. Read trouble codes. Nothing. Good. Alright, we're gonna go to MOT. Sorry, I should have to copy before, but alright, read trouble codes. Nothing. Good. Alright, so let's go to Kobe. Alright, read trouble codes. Nothing. That's very good. Radio operating unit, we don't have that. And central chassis electronics. Read trouble codes. Heated grips. Yes, I told you about this before. I have to, fix it. So we're all good. Thanks for watching, and I will keep an eye on it. If that trouble code comes back again, that's the 2740. Or if you know what it is, please put it in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Alright, so the only thing I can find is basically, as I told you before, I have cleared the code. Okay, the 2740. So you got all this list here to go through. It's talking about ignition coils, oxygen sensor. We don't have that. So this is a mixed up with cars also. It's a general BMW hex only codes. All right, so you gotta kind of like figure it out. Oil level switch, this is what I have. All right, and let's see that. All right, check leads, wiring harness right here. Okay, check plug connector, wire harness to DME, check oil level switch. All right, warning lights and blah blah blah. All right, so this is one thing I have checked, but the code it's gone. So I'm thinking, because I have a little mishap on Saturday, somebody, you know, pushed me from the back and the bike fall on the side. Maybe that caused the problem, but there is another one here, fault information from that ignition coil single to ignition circuit monitoring. It's talking about the ignition coils. I have already checked the bike and it's fine, but it says service note, check wiring harness, check for damaged spark plugs, ignition coils, ignition harness, and replace DME. Okay. Alright, so basically, you know what? I'm not going to spend too much time on it. The quote is now back. But, you know, check for damage, spark plugs, ignition coils, and stuff like that. Alright, so you know what? The code is not coming back, so I'm not going to bother with it. But if any one of you knows what exactly that is for the GS, please put it in the comments. Thank you. Last thing is quit the app. Alright, completely. Turn off ignition. Okay, wait 4 seconds, then remove that. Just be sure you don't get any surprises. Alright, okay.